What's up guys, what's up, and today we'll be watching a video that everyone must have watched. How animals eat their food. I say this because it has 122 million views and 1 million likes. Yeah, but you'd think about it. If you had 122 million views, wouldn't you think at least 30 million would subscribe? Anyway, if you have any other videos you want me to review, watch, or make fun of, leave them in the comments, because I'm starting to enjoy this. So yeah, as always, shout out to MEM. Why is it always on my awkward side? Oh wait, never mind. Subscribe to them. There you go, subscribe. Subscribe more than you subscribe to me. And yes, please turn. Please don't be like this. Turn and don't be a turd. There you go. I'm gonna be over here because I'm out of the way. And that's the camera. And we'll start off. I'll try and
Animals eat their food
I've watched this plenty of times, so I probably won't.
closely.
I'll try my best. No! We'll go around the driver. It's always that one. How does he keep a straight face? How does that guy keep a straight face? And even though it's made of cardboard, wouldn't you think it would hurt anyway? Right there. Well, that was it. But I'm not going to end the video at this minute. We'll watch the second one and then we'll end it. I don't know if it's a bad thing or good thing. Before the video starts, it's buffering. Hang on, before the video, I want you to comment if it's a bad thing or a good thing to make a second of something that you did well on. Because this, let's have a look at this. Oh, 40 million views, bigger than I get, obviously. Yeah, I get as much love, so I don't know if it's a good idea to upload something that is not good. Anyway, let's get on with the video. The hen. Bunny. I don't get that. I get that. I'll not. Lamb. I like the stampede, wait for the stampede and then watch your skill. Watch it, where's that go? I didn't even have to quite it, I'll probably see it anyway. What? That makes no sense. So guys, again, a big shout out to MEPEM. It's an amazing video. Oh wait, no, I need to go down. No, I'm sorry. Practice is needed. Practice is needed. So guys, if you want more of me reacting and trying not to laugh to stuff, please leave a like and subscribe for more, because I'm going to do more amazing stuff on this channel. And again, Xbox One will be coming soon. More videos, more stuff, more things, more videos, and this will be uploaded. Sunday morning, 9 between 12. So, I'll see you guys. Oh, excuse me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. P.S. Blaze Gaming needs to upload more. See you guys. Peace.